Hi everyone, welcome back to Designs by Arias, or welcome if you're new here. My name is Sham and today we are going to create a simple home decor using budget-friendly craft supplies from Michaels. But before we start, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the bell icon so that you will be notified on the next episode. But if you're ready, let's go. So I found this unfinished wood plaque at Michaels, and this is by Make Market, and there are a few things that I like about this. So first of all, the price is very affordable. It was $4.99 and I had a 25% discount, so the price went down to $3.75. So that is very inexpensive. And second, it's a great blank canvas for any DIY projects. I think that you can use this for a variety of projects, and the size is also very good. It's 18 by 5 inches. You can hang this either horizontally or vertically. First thing that I did with this is paint the inside white, and I use the top-notch acrylic paint, and I bought this long time ago, so I am just trying to use some craft supplies that I already have in my craft room so I don't have to buy new ones. And I also use masking tape instead of a painter's tape because this is what I have available right now, and I covered the outside just so I don't accidentally paint on them. So far, I am loving it. I like the white for the inside and the bare wood for the frame. I also found these 3-inch chunky letters at Michaels, and these are very inexpensive. They were $1.99 each, but with a 25% discount, I got them for only $1.49. So they are really good price. I noticed that these letters are not polished, so what I did is I just used sandpaper to polish the sides a little bit just to give it a more finished look. I painted them with this Decor sage green. I think this is sage green. Yes, oh, sage mint. And I also bought this long time ago, so I'm just using what I have. And after 3 coats, this is what they look like now, and I am so in love with the color. I think this is becoming one of my favorite colors. I really love the tone. It's like really nice. So after thinking about this, I decided to do it this way, and I don't really trust myself with aligning the letters without some sort of guides. So I use washi tape and put margins around my frame, and then I laid out my letters and also put washi tape in between. It's not perfect, but I think this will help me tremendously. And that also gives me about, let's see, about 3.75 by 3.25 work area for my vinyl. So let me go ahead and go to the Cricut design space, design my vinyl, cut it out, weed it out, and then we're ready to go. So I was going to use a shimmer vinyl for this design, but it was absolutely hard to work with. I did 3 tries and unfortunately I was not able to get a good cut. So after that, I was like, okay, I tried, and I switched gears and decided to use a glitter iron-on, and it worked perfectly. It was much better to work with, and now I am ready to press my design. Okay, I think that is a good placement. So I think this is good. I just want to make sure that I don't accidentally iron on the washi tape because it's not heat resistant. So I will try my best to be very careful. Okay, I love that. Oh my gosh, that is so adorable. Okay. And I don't know if you can see it on camera, but I love the sparkle. Looks so good. I love it. I'm gonna do 2 more seconds. Okay. Oh my gosh, I love that. The next thing that we're gonna do is to glue our letters to our board. And I'm going to use this crazy super glue. I had this for a long time, so I just wanna try it to see if it works. If it doesn't, then I might have to find a different adhesive. Okay, oh my gosh, whoa. Okay, I think that works. We are almost done with this project. The last thing that we have to do is to peel off the washi tape, and this will be ready to go. Oh my goodness, this is so adorable. It turned out really good. I love the color. I love how it turned out. I did take my time creating this project because I wanted it to look good, even though the craft supplies that we used are very inexpensive. And that's it for today. I hope that you enjoyed this episode. If you would like to see more videos just like this one, please be sure to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you have any questions, craft ideas, DIY projects, or organizational hacks that you would like me to try, please comment down below and I will see you on the next episode.